Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you a cheap security camera and its lots of functions. Its model number is V380. You can use it for home, office and any other places. You can monitor and control it from anywhere in the world using mobile app. Its setup and installation process is very easy, so you can install it without any professional person and without any service charges. So let's get started. Its price is 1100 Indian rupees, that means about 15 US dollars. Inside the box, charger. This device works with 5V DC, so you can use any mobile phone charger as a power source. It is the camera. Here are some fittings: clamp for wall mount, screw, small user guide. That's all. This is the lens of this camera, and here are 11 IR LEDs for night vision. This camera works in complete dark condition also. Here is a light sensor. Here is a speaker to Wi-Fi antenna, microphone, in the back side here is an RJ45 or Ethernet socket, reset button, micro USB socket for power. Here is micro SD card slot. It supports up to 64 GB. Now you have to install an app. Just search for V380. The app is available for Android and iOS. Here are two options for connection. Number 1, directly connect smartphone using Wi-Fi. In this connection, its range will be 10 to 20 feet. Number 2, the camera will connect in a server via your home router using the internet. It is for long distance live monitoring and control. Using this connection, you can access your camera from anywhere, but you need internet connection. You can use a portable Wi-Fi router device for it. You have to just pay the internet usage charge.
System is starting. System startup completed. Access point preparing. Access point ready.
Now I am directly connected with this camera. For first time use, you have to sign up using a mobile number. After that, you can watch live video from the camera. Here are two-way audio. You can hear sound from the camera and you can talk loudly using camera speaker. Hello. If here I pressed to the record button, then the video will record in my smartphone. You can pan, tilt and zoom. it automatically detects low light and then the IR LED auto turn on. You can use multiple cameras in a single account. Now I am going to tell you about its security and alarm features. If the alarm is on and the camera detects any moving object, then the alarm will on, make loud sound and notify you in the app. You can select the alarm detection area. If video record is on, then the camera will record video in SD card. You can select continuous recording or record on motion detection. It can record SD and HD quality videos with sound. You can play the recorded videos from SD card using your mobile. You can download videos from SD card to your mobile device. If SD card video recording is on, then the camera automatically record video day by day when it is plugged to power. Even you are not connected with smartphone. It is video quality test HD in daytime. It is video quality in night vision at completely dark condition. In my opinion, if you are looking for a cheap security camera for indoor use, you can choose it. I am a little bit disappointed with its poor plastic quality and this camera is not waterproof. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.